to be perfectly honest, it's very high stress, especially for someone like me, because I get sick a lot, because I've worked for the airport for 11 years, and the airport is literally the germiest place you could ever go. People are always going to be sick, and they're always going to come through the airport when they're sick. And the fact that this virus is so unidentifiable, like you could have no symptoms and you could have it, is absolutely terrifying for someone like me, who literally gets sick like colds, and flu kind of things, like every couple of months, just because of the interaction with the public. I haven't been able to pay some of my bills because prior to all this happening, I was sick with migraines, which had nothing to do with the virus. I just get chronic migraines, especially when I'm particularly stressed out. So I missed quite a bit of work, which meant I lost a lot of income. The airport is a lot less busy, which in a way is good and in a way is bad. It's that same thing. You have that same level of anxiety and fear from going to work. And basically, I just got an email not too long ago after the mayor announced the stay-at-home order for California that we basically have to go to work for the airport. We can't just stay home. We're classified as essential because, the airport never closes. We've always had protective PPE, as we call it, protective gear. So we've always had gloves. They offer us the masks. If we want the masks, we can have them. One thing I am learning, though, is to be very cautious about, touching my face. What I see is a lot of paranoid people. I notice what I'm getting a lot lately is when I have to pat somebody down, they ask me to change my gloves. And like I said, I have absolutely no problem doing that. In fact, I even after I'm done patting each person down, I try to take off my gloves and put on new gloves. Having a positive mindset really helps you. And I know one thing I do is, because I have severe anxiety, especially when on these last couple weeks when I've had to get up and go to work at the airport. And what I try to do personally is I try to just stay calm. That's, of course, the number one thing you got to do is you got to stay calm. Breathe, like really breathe, like, in through the nose, out through the mouth, just breathe. And what I constantly do is positive affirmations in my head saying, listen, everything is going to be okay. Just keep repeating to yourself, everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be okay. Because eventually it'll align up with you. And you've also got to try to be more positive to other people too. Like spread positivity to people instead of negativity.